I will talk about how can you enable this sign or know how you can do that on your Lumosity app. We go to figure out the solution or know how you can do that on your app. So you just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. So all you have to do, so you just scroll down, click here on more down here. When you just click here on more, it's going to take you to this list. It's going to show for you like this. Click here on mobile notifications, then it's going to take you to this list here. You come here to new games and announcements. Just click here in this sign here, so that like you see here this color show for us. That's mean new games and announcements enable with us now for notifications. So that's all you have to do. I wish you I get it. That's all. So that's all. You just follow this ways, then it's going to work with you. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to support us by like and subscribe.